Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is going to be kind of like a two-part, and the last part I'm going to do anymore on this video. But one of my math mentors gave me a great suggestion. I thought about rotating it like that, but I just couldn't figure it out. But before I show him that, before he show you what he suggested, you have to be on that node and then start moving it, and then move it to there to get exactly 160. Well, if you change your nudge factor 1.60 or 160, it's not going to work. But if you change your decimal place to something more, it is actually 1.6 or 1.6045. So I'm going to change my nudge factor to 0.0. I actually typed all that in, and Corel shortens it in the distance. So Control D and make a duplicate and move it up, and then just keep going. Well, his suggestion, and I found out you need 5 of these to do it, or you need an odd amount for this to work. And select it all, Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and it's already going to duplicate from the middle, so we're going to rotate it 60 degrees, and another one. Look how many you made that fast. Now what's so cool about it, we still got our duplicate distance the same. We just have to do it a number of times. And look at that. You have created many, many inline perfect circles in not very long a time. And you could keep going with this till the cow, and you could make it huge. I could have done 7 or 12 or 9 and had it quite a bit bigger and be done already. So I really thank you for that suggestion and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.